Hello, Lafayette Lions. This is Mrs. Galicchio here to show you a little introduction to the distributive property of multiplication. So take out your notebooks and a pencil, and we will write down the vocabulary words. The distributive property of multiplication states that you can break apart an array, creating two smaller multiplication sentences. In this example, I have a recipe book with cinnamon rolls. I see 3 rows and 6 columns. My sentence would look like this: 3 times 6. But if you notice, on this page, I have 3 rows and 2 columns. And on this page, I have 3 rows and 4 columns. So my page is right here, separating this 6 to 2 and 4. Shown like this: 2 plus 4 equals 6. Whenever I see a number sentence written this way using parentheses, I must solve the parentheses first before solving anything outside of the parentheses. So I could write 3 times 6 like this, 3 times, and then 2 plus 4 inside the parentheses. So I have to solve that first. Or I can show it like this: 3 times 2, which is this page, and 3 times 4, which is on this page of my recipe book. Then I solve the parentheses first. 3 times 2 equals 6. And then these parentheses, 3 times 4 equals 12. And then I can solve outside of the parentheses, which is the plus sign, and add them together. 6 plus 12 equals 18. So 3 times 6 equals 18. But the distributive property helps me to solve 3 times 6 by breaking it apart to easier multiplication problems like 3 times 2 and 3 times 4. Let's try another one. Here I see an array showing 4 columns and 4 rows and 6 columns. So my sentence would look like this: 4 times 6. Now I can break apart this array. So I have 3 columns on this side and 3 columns on this side, because 6 is equal to 3 plus 3. Now when I break apart those arrays, it can make it easier to solve. If I know 4 times 3 and 4 times 3, I could just add those two together. 4 times 3 plus 4 times 3. I must solve the parentheses first. So 4 times 3 equals 12. And 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 plus 12 equals 24. Therefore, 4 times 6 equals 24. Are we getting the hang of it? Let's try another. This multiplication array shows 5 rows and 9 columns. But to make it a little easier, I can break that 9 apart into smaller numbers, like 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 4 in parentheses plus 5 times 5 will give me the same product as 5 times 9. Let's solve 5 times 4 first. You can count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. Then 5 times 5 would be another 5, 25. Now I can add these two together to find out what 5 times 9 equals. 20 plus 25 equals 45. So pay attention to Miss Mack and she will show you some other problems where you can solve using the distributive property of multiplication. Great job!